Hello, Miss Briggs students. Welcome to the first video for at-home learning. This is going to be the reading video. I have a little message for you. Hopefully you can read it. Some of them are sight words and the other ones you can sound out. So it says, I, sound that out, is, miss, you. I miss you. And what is that punctuation mark at the end? You're right, it's an exclamation point. That means I'm excited. I'm so happy to be doing this video. Okay, so we are going to start with the reading packet that the district sent you. So let me fix my screen so you can see it. Okay, so you got a reading packet. It should look like this. Excuse me, you have your table of contents with what is in the packet. Okay, we're going to stop right here. It says identifying characters. A character is a person or an animal in a story. Okay, we've talked about characters a lot in class. We read books all the time and we identify the characters, the main characters, and all the other characters in the story. So when you're reading or listening to a story, ask yourself, what do the characters say? What do the characters do? Or how do the characters feel? Asking questions about characters helps you understand the story. Okay, so I'm going to read this story to you. And then after I read it, you're going to answer some questions. Okay, you're going to do that on your own, and then we'll review it, and you can see what answers you got correct. Okay, so the title of this passage is called How the Camel Got His Hump by Stephen Krinsky. Now, Stephen Krinsky is the author. What does the author do? You're right, the author writes the words. He writes the story. There was once a lazy camel that lived near the desert. He did not live alone. Help us gather the hay, said a horse. If we wait too long, the wind will blow it away. Humph, said the camel. He did nothing. Try to follow along with me with your finger if you can. Help us collect sticks for the fire, said a dog. Cold nights are coming. Humph, the camel said again. Help us plow the field, said an ox. We need to grow food. Humph, said the camel. He did nothing. So we've learned about some characters so far. Who do you think the main character is right now? You're right, it's the camel. The next day, a genie came. He said, I feel something is wrong. What is it? The camel doesn't help, said the horse. We do all the work, said the dog. The ox nodded. He just stands around. The genie said, let's see about that. Then the genie appeared next to the camel. You need to change your ways, he said. Humph, said the camel. Is humph all you can say, the genie asked. Humph, humph, humph. Very well, I will give you a humph that you will always remember, the genie yelled. The genie waved his arm. The camel's back began to puff up. Soon, a big humph, or hump, stuck out. From now on, your hump will remind you of one thing, the genie said. You care only for yourself. And camels have had humps ever since. So do you think the story is fiction or nonfiction? You're right, it's fiction, it's fake, it's not real. Okay, so get a pencil out and we're going to read the questions. Who gathers hay? You need to circle the picture of who gathers the hay. Question 2. The character is the camel in the story. What does the camel do? A, the camel plows the field. B, the camel collects sticks. Or C, the camel does nothing. What does the camel do? A, plow the field. B, collect sticks. Or C, does nothing. Question 3. What do the animals tell the genie about the camel? A, the camel does not help with the work. B, the camel will not stand near them. Or C, the camel's not feeling well. What do the animals tell the genie about the camel? Okay, I'm going to read the underlined sentence. You need to change your ways. What does the genie want the camel to do? A, he wants the camel to appear near the animals. B, he wants the camel to get mad at the animals. Or C, he wants the camel to help the animals. What does the genie want the camel to do? A, he wants the camel to appear near the animals. B, he wants the camel to get mad at the animals. Or C, he wants the camel to help the animals. How does the genie feel when the camel says humph? A, the genie's afraid. B, the genie is mad. Or C, the genie is sad. Look at the chart. What happens at the end of the story? Choose the correct picture. So we have the beginning, the middle, and the end. You need to choose what picture goes to the end of the story. Okay, if you're finished, that's great. If you're not, that's great. That's fine too. Just press pause because now we're going to go over the answers. Okay, first one, who gathers the hay? B, the horse. What does the camel do? C, the camel does nothing. He doesn't do anything to help anybody. What do the animals tell the genie about the camel? A, the camel does not help with the work. Four, the genie wants the camel to help the animals, so C. Sorry, it's a little, there we go. Okay, question 5, how does the genie feel when the camel says humph? B, the genie is mad. And the last one, what happens at the end of the story? A, the camel gets his hump. Good job. Okay, now we are going to do some wonders. So let me pull up my wonders. All right, what letter is this? You're right, it's the letter V. And what does V say? V says V. V says V. Okay, so let's do the phonics dance. Ready? V, V, V is violin, violin. V, V, V is V. Good. Okay, I'm going to pull up some cards. Oops. Sorry. Sorry guys, I'm learning. It's technology. I had it pulled up, I must have X'd out. Here we go. So here's a card. What sound do you hear at the beginning of this picture? Sorry, it's taking a little time to load. Okay, it's a violin. You can't see it. What does violin say at the beginning? You're right. Let's try another one. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to go on to another. Okay, it's not working, so I'm going to go on. Okay, so we're working on the letter V, and what does V say again? Ooh, good. Okay, so now I'm going to play a song for you. We do this in school. remember, you're going to listen for the letter V. So if the word begins with the letter V, what does V say? V. Then you're going to clap. Okay, so let's play it. Very volcano. Volcano. I want you to do it yourself. Okay, good job. Now, I want us, oops, maybe it won't let me. I'm just going to see if we can write on it. Oh, it won't let me. Okay, well, look at this. And I want you to look and see if you can find the words in here and count them and see how many words there are that start with the letter V. I'm going to count them and you count them too. I see 7 just in the song. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the title. Okay, good job. All right, the last thing I want to do is I want to review our sight words. So let me get them really quick. Okay, so I have the red sight words that we're going to practice. Now remember, we say every letter and then we say the word. Ready? Y-O-U spells U-U-U. Y-O-U spells U-U-U. I-S spells is. I-S spells is. I-T spells it. I-T spells it. T-H-A-T spells that. T-H-A-T spells that. Now remember, when T-H is together, it says, that's when you can stick your tongue out. That. T-O spells 2. T-O spells 2. I-N spells N. I-N spells N. A spells A. A spells A. A-N-D spells and. A-N-D spells and. Make sure you're doing it with me. Most common sight word. T-H-E spells the. T-H-E spells the. O-F spells of. O-F spells of. Back at the beginning. All right, great job. You did a wonderful job. I'll see you next time. Bye.